Welcome to Yoga with Safi. This is a quick session designed to get you feeling energized and centered. This practice is one of my morning rituals that helps me to ease into my day. I hope it serves you well. We'll start in mountain pose, feet a little bit wider than hip distance as you press down into the soles of your feet. Soft bend in the knees, guiding the pubic bone forward. Lifting the chest as you roll the shoulders back. Shoulder blades moving down the back as you lift up through the top of your head. Just taking a few moments to connect to body, breath, and energy. The first breathing exercise we'll explore is breath of joy. So for breath of joy, you'll be inhaling in 3 parts. So the first quick inhale, you fill the bottom of your lungs and reach the hands forward. The second inhale, you fill the center as you swing your arms out to your sides. And the third inhale, you fill the top as you swing both arms towards the ceiling. And then on an exhale, you fold forward, reaching your arms back and release a loud ha sound. So inhaling in 3 parts, 3 sips, and then exhaling as you fold forward, ha! So we'll begin when you're ready, going at your own pace, flowing through 10 rounds of breath of joy. On your last exhale, pressing down into the feet, inhaling, making your way up into mountain pose. Bringing your hands together in prayer as you check in with your body and breath. When you're ready, releasing your hands, coming down to sit as we set up for lion's breath. So in lion's breath, you cross your ankles behind you, and you're going to sit on the top heel. So bringing the heel at the space between the tailbone and pubic bone. And then bringing your hands down onto your mat, fingertips point back towards your hips. And with lion's breath, you take a deep inhale through the nose. And as you exhale, you open your mouth as wide as you can and stick your tongue out, reaching it towards your chin. Releasing more tension with that sound again. We'll take 3 rounds of lion's breath. Switching sides, so bringing the bottom ankle on top, and then sitting on the top heel once again for 3 more rounds of lion's breath. easing your way out of this pose when you're ready, coming to sit for our affirmation meditation. And you can choose a word or phrase to guide you on your way for the rest of your day. Maybe love or joy, bliss, kindness, whatever inspires you, a word you can come back to at any point in your day. And as you sit in silence, observing your breath and body, when your mind gets distracted by thoughts, allow yourself to come back to this word. Taking a deep inhale and releasing a long exhale, observing the way you feel, and then bringing your hands together in prayer, giving thanks for these moments spent practicing self-care. I thank you as always for sharing your practice with me and for allowing me to share mine with you. Wishing you peace and presence always.